Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting power. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive so you don't short. Once done, remove the cable clamps and set them aside on insulated material. Make sure you're wearing gloves and eye protection because acid and sparks are hazards. Ventilation matters to disperse fumes. Keep a small bowl of baking soda dissolved in water for neutralizing acid and have a wire brush, adjustable wrench, and replacement terminal or repair kit at hand before moving to cleanup. You'll now tackle the melted terminal. Inspect whether the lug or cable is salvageable and cut back to clean copper if needed. Once decided, neutralize any corrosion or acid with the baking soda solution. Apply, scrub gently, then rinse and dry so moisture doesn't hide corrosion. Next, clean the battery post with a wire brush until bright metal shows. Flare and twist cable strands for a tight mechanical fit. Make sure to coat the post and cable with acid-resistant dielectric grease to slow fuse. You finish by fitting a new terminal. Slide it onto the clean post, then crimp or bolt it securely so you have solid metal-to-metal contact. Avoid over-tightening, which can crack posts. Once installed, reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative. This reduces short risk. After connections, test with a voltmeter and apply a small load to confirm stable voltage. If voltage falls or you see sparks, immediately shut down and recheck clamping, cleanliness, and exposed wire. That troubleshooting check solves most leftover issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.